And I'll be worried about him next time you know the truth. I think it's just the man for you. So brand but you marry him.
I know holy, and I know that they're both like the Baba.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I see you. Hello to the new subscribers. Today is another day and I don't know the last time you guys saw me. I don't remember, but I know that Thursday I did go to Tempo for the Temptation Thursday menu and it is curated by Dine with Neo. I am basically telling you guys to go try it out because I did and I'm enjoying it, so I know you guys will. Yeah, I think that's the last time you guys saw me. And then on Saturday I did go to Moja, but I'm like, I'm not gonna vlog again because I'm always and then today the first thing I did when I woke up was to clean my shower. I don't want to lie guys, I really felt like the shower was dirty and it needed some, cleaning. Then I cleaned my shower. After that I made some porridge. Yeah, so let's go dish up my porridge, sit down and have something exciting to show you. I'm super excited, I don't want to lie. Yeah, we're gonna get to the unboxing. Let's first go dish up for myself and then we're gonna do the surprise unboxing. Guys, also I just want to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Please do watch till the end. I see that you guys are actually really enjoying the vlogs. Please let me know in the comment section what you would like for me to show you guys. I haven't done any shopping because I know that some people do enjoy like styling videos. I do those on my shots, so if you haven't watched my shots, please do check it out. And then yeah, I'll take you guys through with my day. Today is Monday, so yeah.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
Okay, also I think I did my porridge a little weaker this time around, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. But oh, it's delicious. I have a package to unbox for you guys. Such brand aligned. Hot, such brand aligned. I need you guys to sit down right now and guess which brand it is. Oh my good lord. If I can be honest with you guys, I've always wanted to work with this brand. I've shoot my shot a couple of times with them and it was just not happening, but right now sometimes you must just pray and let God take control of things because wow, I can't believe it. Till today I can't believe it. But anyway, let me show you guys. We have a package. We have a package. So I'm gonna open it. Fully, but we have joined a new family. Guys, I'm gonna be working with Dove for a couple of months and I am super excited because I've always wanted to work with the brand. Also, if you've been in this channel for quite some time. You know that I'm suffering from dry skin, so I'm super excited to try out this this new range that they have. So basically I'm going to be part of the what's this, the nourishing body cream that they have. Oh my god, there's a gown in here. It seems so real. It seems so real. It seems so real. I didn't see the gown. Actually, I don't want to mess anything up because I still want to unbox it properly. So what's in the box is basically the Dove creams. And I'm going to need you guys to buy these creams and use my link so that your girl can be in the family for the longest time, you know? I need you guys to support me. So these are the creams that they have. Actually, I'm actually gonna take the phone and show you guys how it looks like, but I want to show you guys this is a restoring serum body cream. I think I'm gonna love this one actually. Oh guys, I actually wanted to open it for you guys, okay, but it's fine. But yeah, your girl's part of the Dove family now. Thank you for your support on my work that I do on Instagram and on TikTok. I need you guys to follow me on TikTok actually, because wow, it fell and now it's not coming out. Okay, whatever. Let me show you guys how it looks like. So this is how everything is in the inside. I think these things were sitting right here, but it moved. But this is how the box looks like. And that is the gown, honey. I can't wait to wear it. Oh my god. Can't believe it. It feels so real. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my food. And then I'll take you guys through with my day. I'm not too sure what we're doing, but we are going to be doing it together. Let me eat. But yeah, I am excited, guys. I'm really, really excited to be part of the Dove family. Oh my goodness. It feels like a dream because I've always wanted to work with the brand, and right now I have to. Like, what? Look at God. But yeah, I'm going to eat right now, and then yeah, we're gonna shower and then we're heading out. Okay. Remember this? I had stopped eating them because one, they were really like, they were rocking me. But today I'm gonna stop them. I had a read here at the back that I need to eat them with food because Nabendizike like after I've eaten. So we're trying them again. I don't know how many is left, but I know there's 30, meaning that I was supposed to be eating them for the entire month, which I didn't. So let's see if we're gonna finish them this time around. I'm gonna take one now with my porridge, and then I'll let you guys know how it feels. But yay, they were rocking me with the what's this? Not even symptoms. Don't. Okay, but you must have one. So I'm gonna put it in my porridge and see how it is. That one inside. This is how. Focus. This is how I'm gonna eat it. Actually, I got this as a gift from Cece when she was doing her brand launch. And you know what? Let me actually unbox it because I haven't used this bottle. Ooh, branded or whatever. Cece's brand is Miss Active. She does gym wear. So if you guys are like not even gym bunnies, but if you like going to the gym, please check her brand out. I'm going to show you an outfit that I bought, an item that I bought, but I love this. This is beautiful. So now we're going to use this bottle. I'm going to rinse it and then pour some water.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and You're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
It's chilly outside, so I'm going to ruin my set by wearing a sweater. Get up, guys. Hey. It's freezing. Hopefully I'm gonna get hot whilst taking the walk. Oh God. Oh my God. Now I have to go brush my hair again. Okay, but this is nice. Okay. I'm gonna wear my sneakers. Then we're gonna get going. I am wearing long socks. I think it's around about 10 to 11. But it is what it is. My goal was to take the walk around about 7, but Yokabanda and waking up is hard. It must steam when a woman just showered, okay? So this is what we're gonna use. I'm actually gonna try it out now. Yeah, I just wanna show you guys because I really wanted y'all to see it. Okay, there we go. I don't wanna, okay, let me open it. Oh my goodness, guys. It's very soft. See how it's gonna be in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Welcome again. We have come to the end of this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is going to be a 7-day vlog. Hopefully I keep up to my plans, meaning that I'll be posting a vlog every day from today to Sunday. I hope I keep up with everything. But anyway, let me go finish off what I was doing. But this is basically what I do on a regular Monday. There's really nothing much to do, but I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again. Till next time, till another one.